Welcome to payboxtimer.com. Here we're going to demonstrate that there's two types of logins. The first login is if you are a landlord and you would like to look at your account, transactions, add a device, delete a device, create a prepaid code or a credit card payment, add PayPal, Stripe, or any other credit card processor so that the money deposited into your Paybox timer boxes, whether for washers, dryers, or showers, will go directly deposited into your bank account. So second option for a login is if you're a tenant. Tenants can log in here, create an account, and view their account status along with their transactions, wallet balances, e-points. And so this login screen at payboxtimer.com serves two functions, one for the landlord and one for the tenant. You can both sign in and register. This is a payboxtimer.com how-to login video tutorial. We can be reached at 647-931-1829.